Well, it's January 21st, 2025. I'm in Lafayette, Louisiana. Just finished about 8 to 10 hours, 10 hours of snow. Fair amount of snow. I left Canada in early January, a couple of weeks ago, thinking I was going to be kind of done with the winter, or at least winter as it's known to Canada, which is cold and snow. And apparently not, since there's a snowstorm here that apparently rivaled something that happened in 1895, the last time. Nobody around here has ever seen anything like this. A little dusting of snow here and there a few years, but not 9 inches of snow on the ground. And right now it's minus 1 degree Celsius, minus 10 with the wind chill. 30 degrees Fahrenheit. It feels pretty cold. I'm standing out in the middle of a field, as you can see, and you can probably hear the wind. So luckily I have all my winter gear with me. Boots, coat. I don't have my coldest winter gear, although I've had no reason to bring it, but it'll probably come in handy right around now. Luckily I did bring my winter boots since I left it in the winter and I brought them along. It's cold right now, so time to go and make some gumbo, warm up, stay warm until this snow goes away and the warm temperature arrives. It'll be probably several days yet, but yeah, quite the weather event for Lafayette, Louisiana, and a big part of the southern U.S.